In this acrylic nails tutorial, if you want to see how I created this Gucci-inspired nails design, keep watching. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Remember to drop those hashtags, guys. And to anyone new, welcome to Pick You Color. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail technician. So on this channel, you'll see a variety of nail content like this acrylic nails tutorial, polygel nail tutorials, press-on nails, nail hauls, and other fun content. You can find uploads every Tuesday and Thursday, and I also spontaneously post on other random days. So now that we're all here, let's get started. Today's video is going to be a good one. And why wouldn't it be, right? I became obsessed with this Gucci-inspired nails design as soon as I saw it. Now, it was actually done in a different color, but I decided to choose red as the primary color for this set because as I look back, it's been a while since I've done something in red acrylic. Besides, red is a color that represents Gucci. Clear is applied to serve as a protection layer, especially when using highly pigmented colors like the red I'm using today. Let me say quickly, the one thing we all know for sure is prep work never changes, and it's the most critical part of the nail service. It's what will determine whether lifting will occur or not. I've shown it in many videos, though not this one. If you'd like for me to make a separate tutorial, leave a comment and be sure to let me know. The thing about this particular nail design is I have never seen a tutorial on it anywhere. And if you think about it, you more than likely haven't either. So basically, I had to wing how to do this acrylic nails tutorial. And it was kind of a tough one. Not so much the acrylic part, but doing the design and achieving the proper finish. I'll have more to say about that later. So as I said, applying the acrylic was pretty much the same as usual. In this set, 2 nails will be nude, then the index and pinky in red. By the way, I did leave a blooper in for you guys. I actually didn't want to because I felt it was kind of a major fail. No, not kinda. It was major. It was big, real big. But then you know what? I was so glad to have caught it before it was too late. I just didn't care anymore. Then I couldn't stop laughing at myself. But I will say this. I really don't mind including bloopers and things like that because when I teach, we always use mishaps as learning opportunities. But when doing nail videos, I do have to edit out much. I've explained before about the computer issues. Typically, what I tend to edit out is usually like filing, most people do. Y'all really don't want to see every single finger, and I'll chop segments for sake of capacity in the editing software. I do have a regret when I started this set. I wished I was able to make them longer, but unfortunately, I have ran out of what I use for the base nail and I refused to use anything else but clear. And this was the last of what I had. I had actually planned on something else until I saw this inspiration set, so I used what I had available to me. So you know what that means, right? That's right, tomorrow I'm going shopping! So as I'm finishing up with the nude, I'll go in with the red. I'll let you watch that application for a few moments because it was so satisfying to me to watch when I was editing. I feel like I've developed a good eye and have been rather close, if not pretty accurate, how much monomer to have in my dapping dish. And by the time I'm ready for the clear top layer, I'm starting with clean, fresh monomer. If I seem excited, it's because I am. Doing acrylic nails has a special place for me because, again, as I've mentioned before, polygels weren't out when I was in nail school. So I mostly did acrylics. I also enjoy watching nail videos so much, especially acrylic. There is an international nail sister who also shares a passion for nails and acrylic work. In fact, she was one of the winners of the 500 subscriber giveaway. She's in Nigeria and her name is Ademidum Abimbola. Her YouTube channel is Gltterspolish Nails, and she apparently is in high demand as she is requested for a special event and wedding sets. She premieres her videos every Monday and Thursday. In fact, she has one that should be premiering today. Remember to visit her channel and let her know I sent you in love. There'll be a link for it in the description box. And of course, I filed off camera. These Gucci stickers are from Dipped in Pretty, and it's actually a single large sheet that has to be sized and cut according to how you want to place it on the nail. What I liked about these is they were self-stick, so I didn't need any other nail product to place them. I worked it a little in case any air pockets formed. This one part was crumpled at the top, and I used a brush soaked with a little acetone to smooth around the edges. Then I started in with some line work. This is where it became difficult. Do y'all even know how stressful this can be? Oh, and each color I place, I cure before starting with the next one. Curing time should be according to your manufacturer's instructions, depending on what type of lamp you have. I have an upcoming polygel tutorial as well as an icicle set. If you don't want to miss them, consider subscribing to my channel and join the NailTube family. Remember to click the Nailification bell so you'll know every time the Nailification Squad gets together. And now back to this set. Wait until you see what I did. So I was recording this late night and I had become very tired and sleepy. I guess you could call this part a blooper too, but that's not the one. I brought that up because I forgot to record when I put the matte finish on. I was so tired I thought I hit the record, but hadn't. I've had these little gold bees and these gold studs, and they all work so well to create this Gucci inspired nails design.